like a Hellcat.
Alright, today's going to be a simple video. It'll make any truck, in my opinion, look 10 times better if you're trying to murder out a truck. Just black it out overall. We're Plasti dipping the lettering on the back of my truck to kind of get rid of the chrome is what I'm going for. Eventually the bumpers will be changed or blacked out. Haven't fully decided, but today we're just going to black out the lettering. So let's jump right into it. Before we get too far into it, you want to make sure your surface is clean. After that, you're going to need a few supplies. First and key ingredient is our Plasti dip. You can choose whatever color you want. I'm going black because I'm trying to black everything out. You're going to need tape. I don't have painter's tape. Painter's tape is ideal because it won't basically tear anything up when you rip it off unless you got real fragile paint. So I'm using the next thing in line. And then you want a really good pointy pick to use to peel some Plasti dip here in a little bit, and then some Walmart bags to kind of tape off the surroundings because Plasti dip does get everywhere. So you want to tape off as much as you can. So let's jump to the taping process. So I have the majority of my area taped off. You can do more taping than that. That's just an overall coverage. It can spread further than that. Our next step is make sure you shake your can well, and then we can get to spraying our Plasti dip. For our Plasti dip coats, we want to do 3 coats. 1 light coat to get a sticky, tacky little layer on there. Then after that, we can do 2 heavy coats. And if you're feeling frisky, you can go ahead and go for a 4th coat. I did 3 on the rest of mine. So let's get into it and see how she turns out. Here comes the best part of this whole process, is getting all the extra Plasti dip off, which is easy. I've already pulled my bags off, and most of the time when you pull the bags off, it's already coming with the bag. So now it's just pull, and the only time you'll need your little tool is to get from underneath your logo. Try not to scratch your paint in this process. It is easy to do, and if you're like me, it'll bug you forever. So not much pressure is needed at all to get the rest of this off. So I'm gonna get a good time lapse of me working on this, and I'll talk to you after that's over. Okay, so I got it all taken off, and it, in my opinion, looks amazing. It's really easy, it's tedious, but it looks amazing at the end. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other side, my LT lettering, but this turned out pretty good. Give it overnight to dry fully. I mean, it's already dry, but to cure, I would give it overnight. So I'll move to the other one, show you what it looks like. Okay, so this one was obviously way easier to do, but just look. And that's the easiest way to Plasti dip your chrome lettering, logos, whatever you want, and pretty much black out your truck. In my opinion, 10 times better, but that's about it. Thanks for watching.